19 जुलाई जो है उस पेपर है जूनियर असिस्टेंट का, एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर ऑल द एस्पिरेंट्स. सो प्रीवियस ईयर्स पेपर आई वांट टू डिस्कस हियर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो प्रीवियस ईयर में आया है, जूनियर असिस्टेंट हाई कोर्ट का पेपर. Let's start with the first question. Full-fledged High Court of the Judicature for Jammu and Kashmir was established in the year. So the answer is 1927. Next, who is the head of the judiciary at the district level? Options are Principal District and Session Judge, District Magistrate, Chief Judicial Magistrate, District Judicial Mobile Magistrate. So the correct answer, who is the head of the judiciary at district level? The correct answer is District Judge. Next is, who was the first Chief Justice of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir? ये क्वेश्चन बार बार आता रहता है. So the options are Aga Said Hussain, second option is Lala Kanwar Singh, Rai Bahadur, and none of these. So the option B, that is Lala Kanwar Singh, that is the correct option. Next question is, who from the UT of Jammu and Kashmir became the first woman judge of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and the Ladakh? So the options are Justice Sindhu Sharma, Justice Romapal, Justice Geeta Mittal, Justice Gyan Sudha Mishra. So the correct answer is Justice Geeta Mittal. Next, who is the Chief Justice of the High Court of the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh? Who is the Chief Justice of the High Court of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh? So the correct answer is current, this time current. That is the Justice N. Kotiswar Singh. इसमें करंट जो है अभी वही है. इसमें ऑप्शन जो है उस वक्त कौन था, दैट इज अदर थिंग, बट दिस टाइम जो चीफ जस्टिस है इसमें है बी ऑप्शन करेक्ट, जस्टिस एन कोटेश्वर सिंह. नेक्स्ट, इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द कोर्ट प्रोसीजर व्हाट डज अहलिमाद स्पेशली रिफर्स टू? प्रोसेस सर्वर, लीगल क्लर्क, expert witness, and the peon. So the correct answer is legal clerk, Ahlimad. Next is, who handles the financial matters under the direction of presiding officer of the subordinate court? Who handles the financial matters under the direction of presiding officer of the subordinate court? उसको क्या किस नाम से बोला जाता है? That is the Ahlimad. Next is, what is the primary function of the Juvenile Justice Board? Juvenile Justice Board का primary function क्या है? That is deal with cases involving the minors. Minors अगर कोई गलती करेंगे उनके साथ जो भी cases होंगे वो यही handle करते हैं. Next is, who is the judge of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh from UT of Ladakh? Who is the judge of High Court of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh? So the answer is Justice Moksha Khajure Kazmi. What is the full form of ADR? So the full form of ADR is Alternative Dispute Resolution. Alternate Dispute Resolution. That means D option is correct. Which of the following computer generation uses concept of artificial intelligence? Second generation, third generation, fourth, or the fifth generation? That is fifth generation. Now next is, which of the following is a valid storage type? UPS, keyboard, pen drive, and ALU. That is obviously the pen drive. Next question is, M-dash module is a device that converts spoken word into information that the computer can recognize and process. First is microphone, voice recognition, optical scanner, video graphic adapter. The question is, a dash module is a device that converts the spoken words into information. So that is the voice recognition. Next question, what does the acronym GPT stand in the GPT, Chat GPT? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transfer. Generative pre-trained transfer, that means first option is correct. Generative pre-trained transformer. ठीक है. Now question number 15. Which of the following computer language do we use in artificial intelligence? Prolog, Fortran, COBOL and the C. So the correct answer is Prolog. Dash is the computer program that would convert an assembly language to the machine language. That converts the assembly language into the machine language, that is known as the assembler. Now next question is, what happens when you select a column and press Ctrl Shift plus at the same time in the MS Excel? So the answer will be, options are that the task manager window opens, all the numeric values are added, a new column is added. So the option C is correct, a new column is added. Now next is, which of the following keyboard shortcut is used to switch between open apps in window 10? Open apps in window 10. So if we press Alt plus Tab, we can open apps in window 10. Next is, which of the following statement incorrect with respect to the writing emails? We cannot add more than one address to field. We can leave the BCC field blank. We can leave the CC field blank. The to and CC fields are often used interchangeably. So the option जो है that correct is first. We cannot add more than one address in the to field. Question number 20. Which of the following icons is used to add an attachment to an email? Stationery icon, paper icon, GIF icon or the emoji icon, that is the paper clip icon. Question number 21. Which of the following is an example of page orientation? Landscape, subscript, superscript and A4. That is the landscape. Now question number 22. Microsoft Word is dash software: application software, compiler software, system software or programming. That is the application software. Question number 23. What is gutter margin? So the option C, that is correct option. Margin that is added to the binding side of the page when printing. Next, the intersection area of rows and columns is spreadsheet are called box, cell, line or none of the above. They are called the cells. Question number 25. A formula in MS Excel must begin with. That must begin with the is equal to sign. First option. The theme of India G20 Summit 2023 is. उसका जो मेन मकसद था वो क्या था? थीम क्या था उसका? So the theme was, last option, Vasudeva Kutumbakram. Question number 27. Where is the headquarter of the G20? G20 का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ पे है? सो यहाँ पे अभी जो है ब्रुसेल्स, इंडिया, जिनेवा दिया है. सो इट विल बी, अभी परमानेंट एड्रेस नहीं है इसका. सो इट विल बी नन ऑफ द अबव. 28. Who received the Nobel Peace Prize for the year 2023? 2023 का पीस प्राइज जो है, नोबेल प्राइज, वो किसको मिल गया है? That was the name was Nargis Mohammadi. 29th question. The 19th All India Legal Service Authorities meet was held at. The 19th All India Legal Service Authorities meet at. That was the Hyderabad, Telangana. Question number 30. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched a new ₹75 coin to mark the new Parliament building. It consists an inscription of dash written in Devagri. So the answer is Sansad Sankull. Who presented Sengal to India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru? The answer is Lord Mountbatten. Which state Mati banana got GI tag recently? That is Tamil Nadu. Question number 23. Which Ramsar site is located in the UT of the Ladakh? Which Ramsar site is located in the लद्दाख, मतलब जो भी वहाँ पे लद्दाख जो है वहाँ पे कौन सा ये है? The answer for this is which Ramsar site is located in the UT of the Ladakh? That is the Tsokar. Tsokar. Third option is the correct option. Now next is, who is the project director of India's moon mission Chandrayaan 3? That was the Ritu Karidai. Question number 35. Which launcher is used for the Chandrayaan 3? So the answer is third option, that is GSLV Mk3. Next question is, Union Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman outlined 7 priorities in the Union Budget 2023, calling it dash that will guide India's vision during Amrit Kal. So the answer is Saptarishi. Next question 37. Which bird has been recognized as State Bird of Union Territory of the Ladakh? That is the black necked crane. वो ऑलरेडी था ही जम्मू कश्मीर का पहले से ही. नाउ इन्होंने ये मतलब पूरी तरह से वहाँ पे स्टेट बर्ड जो है ब्लैक नेकेड क्रेन ही रख दिया. Now question number 38. Abraham Accord is the name given to the collective agreement signed between. That is signed between United States, UAE and Israel. Next is the Chief Election Commissioner and the Election Commissioner Bill 2023 introduced in Rajya Sabha recently seek to remove dash from the panel to select the CEC and ECS. So the answer जो है correct answer, that is Chief Justice of India. Now question number 40. Dash is the country's first ever frozen lake marathon, which has been officially registered in the Guinness Book Records, and the world's highest frozen lake mountain, that is the Bangkok Lake जो लद्दाख में. What is the official name of the Women's Reservation Bill? That is the Nari Shakti Vandan Abhiniyam. Now 42. The Aditya L1 was launched on. That was launched on September 2, 2023. Next question 43. Question जो है, the question is who became the first IAF woman officer to receive the Gallantry Award? That is Deepika Misra. Next is, who is the Director General of CBI? CBI का Director General कौन है? Praveen Sood. Now match the following. Dr. Ravi Kannan. The correct option is Raman Magsaysay Award. Sudha Murthy, Global Indian Award. D.Y. Chandrachud, Global Leadership Award. Udhampur Military Station, that is the best green military station. Now that means अब question number 46. Who was the Chief Justice for the 74th Republic Day 2023 at New Delhi? Who was the chief guest for 74th Republic 2023 at New Delhi? That was Abdel Fattah el-Sisi. Next is, who among the following is not correct? So यहाँ पे APPU, that is correct, Asian Pacific Postal Union. BHIM, Bharat Interface for Money. UPI, that is not correct. The correct answer is Unified Payment Interface. That means option C is incorrect. Question number 48. Which union minister launched the Agnipath scheme? So that was Shri Rajnath Singh. Question number 49. Match the following. Veer Guardian 2023. So the answer of this first one is Indian Air Force and Japan Air Self Defense Force. Varuna, that is the Indian Navy and the French Navy. Cyclone, Indian Army and the Egyptian Army. Tarkash 2023, India's NSG, sorry. Now next is question number 50. That is the Which of the following bill government has introduced in the Lok Sabha to replace the existing criminal laws in India? So the answer is all of the above. Question number 51. It gives me immense pleasure dash you to the party to invite. आएगा for invitation आएगा in inviting आएगा invited. So the correct option is in inviting. Which is the correct form of idioms used in the sentence? He don't know the ABC of maths. He doesn't know the ABC of maths. He doesn't know the ABC of maths. He do knows the ABC of the maths. So the correct option is D. He do knows the ABC of the maths. Next is abstract noun form of C is sit, seen, saw and sing. So the answer is Sa. Which among the following means understand fully? Apprehend, pretend, discuss, comprehend. The correct answer is comprehend. Question number 55. You are 20 years old dash. Don't you, doesn't you, aren't you, are you? So don't you. 56. The adverb of the brave is. What is the adverb of the brave? That is bravely. The meaning of the make out is. What is the meaning of the make out? That is understand. Find the word which is wrongly spelled, यानी जो गलत स्पेलिंग है, that is a magistrate. वहाँ पे आएगा G, J के बदले. Now question number 59. Ravi said I am going back next week. So Ravi said that he was returning, यानी इसको indirect में convert करना है. Ravi said that he was returning the following week. Ravi said that he was returning the following week. Ravi said that he is returning. And Ravi said he was returning next week. So the correct option that is correct, that is B. Ravi said that he would be returning the following week. Now next is question number 60. What is the antonym of the predecessor? That is the successor. 61. A dash of the birds. Choose the correct collective pronoun. So flight of the birds. 62. The officer dashed 5 minutes ago. The officers went. Next, the synonym of the complicit is. That is a self-satisfied. Dash, question number 64. Dash of what you were saying he is the best man for the job. So the answer will be apropos. Question number 65. A person who starts legal action against somebody in the court of law is called. What is that called? That's called a plaintiff. Question number 66. A conflict of claim that has given rise to the subject of litigation is called. That is called the dispute. Now question number 67. The act of making false document is. That is known as a forgery. Question number 68. Dash refers to the legal authority or power of the court to hear or decide the cases. That's called the jurisdiction. Question number 69. Making a false statement under the oath is. That's known as the perjury. Making a false statement under the oath is called the perjury. Question number 70. Please dash your letter dated 12 December. Relate, repeat, refer, none of these. So it will be refer. Question number 71. The woman dash works here is from Tamil Nadu. Who, which, she, that. The woman who works here is from Tamil Nadu. Next is Anna and Mike dash going for skiing. So the answer will be the options are may, is, will and is. So the answer will be R. Now question number 73. It has been snowing dash morning. From, since, for and this. So it will be since. Question number 74. This is in conformity dash the rules laid down by government. So the answer will be with. Question number 75. I could just dash down and go to sleep. I could lie down. Question number 76. To dash temper is a sign of weakness. Lost temper, lose temper, lost temper and give temper. LOST. 77 is that presentation was better dash the one. Then आएगा THEN आएगा, to आएगा और for. THAN का जब हमें compare करना होता है we will use THAN. Question number 78. They are going to dash office. They are going dash office. Their office, an office, DHEA, or none of these. None of these. Question number 79. She dash in the power of karma. Believe, find, holds, or believes. And last question. My sister wanted dash dog as dash present for her birthday. My sister wanted a dog as a present for her birthday. Hope you like this video. Share it with your nearest and dears, and best of luck for all the junior assistant aspirants जिसका एग्ज़ाम 19 जुलाई को हो रहा है.